Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on entering and exiting demo retail mode on Sony Bravia TVs and other Android smart TVs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Go to the home screen of your TV and then select Settings from the top right of the screen. In the settings, scroll down to the System Preferences heading and open Retail Mode Settings. You can enable or disable Retail Demo Mode on your TV here. You can change these settings at any time by coming back here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android TV tips and tricks.